Well, when you have finished developing your product or during the development process, you want to see what it would look like for the end user. You can do this very easily by clicking on one button. For this, you need to deploy and open a link to this product. So, first of all, in order for anyone to be able to open your UI part, it must be public. We open the settings and check that your application is public. We click. Now, anyone can open this application via the link to the UI part. To see how it will look, we click the Deploy and View Application button. This is how we publish it. And this is what the end result looks like. Let's try the entire functionality. Again, we'll create an apple. We'll pull out this data. We see that a second page has appeared for us. We can update. We call the app again. Everything works, the data changes. So this is what the deployed UI part looks like. In order to share the link to it, you can go to the development environment, and next to the UI part, you see a link to the service. Just copy it and share it with your friends so that they can use the programs you create. Also, if necessary, you can add your own domain to this UI part. To do this, you need to open the service settings and go to the Domain tab. Here you have the option to use your own subdomain based on the UBOS domain. When you write here what subdomain you want, it will pull up what the link to your UI part will look like. Or you can create your own domain and connect it here. You can learn more by following the link in our documentation. Well, that's how easy our UBOS platform allows you to deploy and, in the future, share a link to your personal product with your friends.